Today I am going to be teaching you the song Baby by Justin Bieber. This has really fun chords and a really great strumming pattern, and I cannot wait for us to jam this song together today. So let's grab those guitars and come on in, let's practice together. So the chords you're going to need to know for this song are G major, E minor, C major, and D major. Now in the intro, it's a really fun strumming pattern. It's just a real quick 1, 1, 2. And it gives us an opportunity to change the chords without having to change super fast. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1. Alright, so that's the pattern. Let's slow it down a little bit and practice that together. So we're going to start here on G major, and we're going to do one strum. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Good. Now on E minor. 1, 1, 2. Good. 1, 1, 2. And then C major. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. And then D major. So you'll keep that strumming pattern for the intro and the verse. So let's play the first verse together just real quick. Here we go. 2, 3, go. E minor, C major, D major. One more time, G major, E minor, C major, D major. Excellent. Now, we keep those same chords when we go into the chorus, and we're just going to do an up-down strumming pattern, so that'll look a little something like this. Good. So we're just doing up and down. So to practice those chord changes and getting comfortable, let's give ourselves 2 seconds to change chords. So let's try that together. Here we go. 2, 3, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Now comes the part of the challenge in our video. We're going to challenge ourselves to play it all the way through with no breaks. Can you do it? I know you can. Here we go. Consistent strumming all the way through. Follow along as best as you can. Here we go. 2, 3, go. Did you do it? I'm sure you did, Rockstars. I'm so proud of you. Now, let's pick up the speed a little bit and play it a little bit faster to the tempo that they play it in the song. Here we go. 2, 3, go. job. That sounded so good. So for the bridge that's rapped by the one and only Ludacris, we're going to do that same strumming pattern that we did in the verse. So you can do something just like this. And then D. One more time. And end on G. Man, that sounds so good. Way to go, rock stars. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, rock stars. I hope you had so much fun working on this new song. Have so much fun practicing. As we close out our video, let's just play the chorus together. We'll play it through 2 times, rock out, have so much fun, and let's just have this great little jam session together, all right? Here we go. 2, 3, go. I had so much fun jamming with you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe so that way we can get these videos in front of more eyeballs and we can have more rock stars out there playing music and having so much fun. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. We will see you again next time.